Attention small business owners, stay-at-home moms, 9-to-5 workers, busy professionals, caregivers, graduates, and corpers. I am your online income guide, and I'm here to give you a practical guide on how you can make your first or extra 5 million naira before the year ends. We've got about 6 months to go, and this is totally doable. You just need 2 apps. These 2 apps can literally change your life forever. Go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt that taps into what you already know, your experience, knowledge, ideas, or hobbies, and get a profitable digital product idea to create an ebook, customizable templates, or planners, journals, anything people are searching for online. Then head over to Canva to design it, fast and easy. When you're done, begin to market it like your life depends on it. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need the right people to see your product. And there are several ways you can draw them to you, even if you don't have a budget for ads. Now imagine if you price your product at just 10,000 naira and sell 100 copies a month. You could make over 5 million naira before the year ends. From a product that doesn't expire, doesn't run out of stock, and doesn't need shipping. If you would like to learn how to do all of this, I've put together a simple bundle that shows you how to turn your knowledge into a profitable digital product, even if you're a complete beginner. You will learn how to use Canva, ChatGPT, and the right prompts to create ebooks, templates, and planners that people want and sell it confidently. You'll also get 3 bonuses, including a launch plan to help you stay on track. And you're getting all these values for just 10,000 naira launch offer today instead of 50,000 naira. The bundle is flexible, beginner-friendly, and you can learn at your own pace. Send a DM with the word AI now to get access at the promo offer before the price goes up, and I'll see you inside.